Prepare for an adrenaline-packed ride as we dive into the wild world of high-speed police chases, all captured on Dashcam. From heart-stopping moments to dramatic confrontations, witness the brave efforts of law enforcement as they pursue suspects at breakneck speeds. Buckle up and join us for a thrilling look at the chase. In Milwaukee, in the state Wisconsin, on Monday, August 29, 2022, at approximately 3:23 p.m., officers from the Glendale Police Department located a stolen Volkswagen in the 4800 block of Port, Washington, RD. This vehicle had been taken during a home invasion and armed robbery in Milwaukee. Officers initiated a pursuit of the stolen vehicle.
At Hampton, and looks like they're going to bail. Back northbound. Lost the tire, it's losing tires, it's going to bail here. Northbound Port, Henry Clay, northbound Port, it's going to go east on Marne, it's losing it. East on Marne, it's got no tire, east on Marne past Iroquois, which fish man, plates Adam Mary Edward, the 6. Looks like it's occupied 4 times. Come up to Lidell.
68, I'm behind you. I'll call it. We're still eastbound on Marne, coming up to Lidell, slowing down here.
The suspect lost a tire, making it extremely difficult to evade multiple pursuing patrol cars.
In the 4800 block of Lidell, still going, coming up to Hampton.
68, get in front and get it.
Yep, we're southbound.
716, we're going to mutual aid from Whiteman Bay, Sherwood.
We're southbound on Esterbrook Parkway. We're passing the soccer fields now. Speeds are 60. There's no pedestrian traffic. Medium traffic here. They are taking lead.
Alright, I'll call.
On the way, we'll be at Capital.
Alright, still, here comes the pit, and off-road into the park, and they're going to be bailing here.
One 14-184, are we doing mutual aid?
Get him right there.
To make the chase even more chaotic, the suspect led troopers into a park, running a stop sign in the process. However, the troopers were close behind and ready to stop him.
Hit a pole, we're going to be coming out onto Hampton. Squads coming out onto Hampton.
Still northbound. Still northbound. We're going to come out onto Hampton. 768 is losing a lot of it. Still southbound.
That pole.
768, crash, Hampton and Christopher Park.
Watch your crossfire! You keep your hands up! Keep them there! Let me see your hands! I'm like that!
Troopers finally managed to stop the suspect after multiple pit maneuvers. Once executed, the maneuvers caused the suspect to lose control, spinning the vehicle. He was quickly surrounded by multiple patrol cars and surrendered within seconds, ultimately being taken into custody without further incident. On November 22, 2023, Trooper responded to a shoplifting incident at Kohl's in Yulee, Florida. Before arrival, Deputy Hutcherson found 3 suspects loading stolen merchandise into a Nissan sedan driven by another suspect. The vehicle was at the back of the store, away from public view. When Deputy Hutcherson activated his emergency lights, all suspects entered the vehicle, and driver Brashea Danielle Glover intentionally reversed into his patrol car, knowing he was inside. This act constituted aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. After the impact, Deputy Hutcherson exited his vehicle, drew his firearm, and ordered the occupants to exit the sedan. The suspects fled, initiating a high-speed pursuit. The suspect drove recklessly, running red lights, passing other vehicles too closely, and exceeding the speed limit, showing a clear disregard for the safety of others on the road. The suspect attempted a U-turn but was going too fast to slow down, resulting in a horrific collision with another vehicle.
Right now! Get on the ground right now! 911 to the next responding unit. Somebody's shutting down at Minor. We got one copy. From 1001.
The suspect was arrested and taken into custody. The driver of the struck vehicle, Sierra Desiree Fawcett, sustained serious injuries and was transported to UF Shands Hospital, where she is currently in stable condition. On January 22, 2024, Trooper David Ramos was patrolling northbound on County Road 229 when he observed a black Infiniti Q60 traveling southbound. Trooper Ramos executed a U-turn and began pursuit, intending to stop the vehicle. The suspect made a right turn into the Dunkin' Donuts parking lot. As Trooper Ramos followed, the driver of the Infiniti increased speed, rounding the northwest corner of the building at a high rate of speed. In response, Trooper Ramos activated his emergency lights and siren, but the suspect vehicle continued to flee. The suspect attempted to overtake the vehicle in front, but in doing so, lost control. The Infiniti veered into the south grassy shoulder where it spun and came to a stop facing east. This critical mistake brought the chase to an abrupt end, sealing the suspect's fate.
Right now! Get out! Get out of the car right now! Hey! Turn
The suspect was successfully arrested and taken into custody, officially bringing this intense chase to an end without further incident. On May 22, 2024, at 12:17 a.m., Trooper David Blake was on patrol in Lee County, Florida, when he observed a black Hyundai Elantra with a Florida tag. The trooper accelerated to catch up to the sedan, which had slowed to 78 miles per hour. As he paced the vehicle from Gregory Avenue to Ray Avenue, he queried the license plate and discovered that it was expired.
Get out of the road.
Trooper exited his patrol vehicle and approached the sedan, initially only seeing the driver and no passengers. As he moved to the passenger side, the driver suddenly accelerated away from the traffic stop. The sedan sped off west on SR 82, prompting the trooper to run back to his patrol vehicle and initiate a pursuit.
1031, State Road 82, L westbound past the gateway. Temple, weather clear.
Signal 4, roll over, Signal 4, roll over, start me 1071, roll over.
10-4.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! 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 Don't get out!
The pursuit didn't last long as the suspect quickly lost control of the vehicle after fleeing the stop. He crashed into a ditch where he was apprehended and taken into custody without any further incident. Arkansas State Police found themselves in a high-speed pursuit involving a Toyota Corolla. It all began on October 2nd, 2024, when troopers spotted the driver exceeding the speed limit and making unsafe lane changes. As the troopers approached and activated their emergency lights and sirens, the driver failed to stop, initiating a dangerous pursuit.
Contact what now, 282, I think you're coming this way.
Negative, we're eastbound, passing Dixieland. Step back up. Another line at 71. I tried to fit on his side of the brakes. I got him stopped.
The trooper got close enough to perform a pit maneuver, but the suspect skillfully regained control of the vehicle and continued fleeing, making the situation even more dangerous.
Make sure everybody's valid and clear. 10-4, thank you.
My vehicle's gonna be disabled. Where did I be? I'm still back on Dixieland. Honeysuckle. We're going north now. Talking to a dead end. He's still back up. How is he still going, dude?
The suspect entered a construction zone and, as the trooper described, disappeared into the night, prompting the trooper to cancel the pursuit. This raises questions about the decision-making in high-risk areas like construction zones. Should the trooper have continued the pursuit despite the increased danger? Could better tactics or additional units have been used to stop the suspect before entering the construction zone? I'd like to hear your thoughts on whether canceling the pursuit was the safest option or if the chase should have continued.